In this quick video, I am going to show you how to blur text in CapCut PC. So first of all, drag and drop your clip on your timeline. Now duplicate the clip by holding Alt on your keyboard and duplicate it on the upper track. Now select your duplicated clip, then go to the effects panel and drag and drop this blur effect on your duplicated clip just like this. Now under special effects, you can increase the strength of your blur or you can decrease it according to you. Now we just need to click anywhere else and select your duplicated clip just like this. After that, go to the mask section and here choose the rectangle mask, or you can choose any mask from here, but before that we need to click on add mask and now select your rectangle mask, and now you can change the size of your mask according to your text. Now place it over your text which you want to blur. If you want to blur particular portion, then you can simply place it on it just like this, but I want to blur my whole text, so for that I'll simply take it and place it over my whole text and increase the size of it. Now if you preview our video, you can see the text has been blurred successfully. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.